Good morning, class. So this video is about formatting or creating a bootable disk using your USB flash drive. So all you need to prepare is first the Rufus software that you'll be using to create a bootable disk. Okay, things you need to create a bootable disk. This bootable disk will be used in installing an operating system. An operating system that does not so have an internal or external optical disk drive. Okay? So, and nowadays, kailangan na po talaga required kayo magkaroon ng USB flash disk. So, here we go. The Rufus software, of course, the USB flash disk of at least 8 gigabytes and the ISO file. For this instance, we'll be using Windows, it's either Windows 7 or Windows 10. Okay, that's it. So let me demonstrate it to you. First, you need to open the File Explorer. Okay, then insert the USB flash disk. Okay. So the USB flash disk will, the drive is drive E. Okay, take note of the drive. So right click on it in the File Explorer window. Click the format, then click Start. Don't forget, please take note of the drive letter you're going to format with. Okay? So formatting the drive E. And to make sure that it is already formatted, let's click another one. Okay. So just a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds before it finishes. So next, all you need to do after that, after formatting the drive of your USB flash disk that you've recently inserted, go or locate the Rufus software that you'll be using. For this instance, I have stored it in the ISO folder in the drive H. Let's browse it. Okay, there you go. So either these two is useful, but let's check on the date modified. The recent one is the one that I'll be using. Okay, click on it and just click yes. Okay, now we have this dialog box. So the device that we'll be using will be the drive E. Okay, as you see now on the left side, it's drive E. Then boot selection, we need to select the ISO file that I've already created. Okay, so on this left side, you'll see there is a Windows 7 and Windows 10 that I've already created. The type is ISO file. Don't forget, it should be an ISO file for it to run automatically after you inserted your USB flash drive, like what happened just recently. Okay, so select, then locate the folder where the ISO file is stored. So let's try this Windows 7 that has at least 4 gig. Okay, while the Windows 10 collection is more than 4 gig. So click open. Then as you see, it automatically changes the partition scheme, target system, NTFS, cluster size. But if you are knowledgeable enough regarding the partition scheme, target system, file system, and cluster size, other version of the Rufus will allow you to change it. But in this version, you don't have any selection for this particular uh, area. Right? So it's already ready. Double check, drive E, Windows 7, and then just click the start. Before you click the OK button, make sure that the drive that you're going to put the ISO file is the drive of your blank or newly reformat disk, USB flash disk to be exact. Okay? Then click OK. You just have to wait for a couple of minutes before it is done. Okay? Then afterwards, let's see if it is already finished. And welcome back. So as you see, malapit na siyang matapos. Kailangan mo lang talaga ng patience. Okay? At syempre, depende sa bilis ng iyong computer at depende rin sa USB port. Okay? Kung halimbawa ang USB mo, flash drive mo at ang USB port mo ay parehong 3.0, mas mabilis yung transfer rate, mas mabilis yung response rate ng PC. Siyempre, kung mas mabilis at mas maganda ang performance and productivity ng iyong computer, mas mabilis matapos ang iyong ginagawang bootable disk. Okay? Mamaya i-check natin kung gumagana yung PC, yung bootable disk na ginawa natin. Okay? Kapag in-eject natin mamaya ito, at pag sinaksak natin at automatic na nagbukas yung window, pagkasaksak mo ng USB flash drive, ibig sabihin automatically nag-run siya at nag-open. But, hindi ibig sabihin na 100% na okay na siya. Unless otherwise, gamitin mo na siya at mag-install ka ng operating system gamit ang iyong ginawang bootable disk. Pag gumana siya, ibig sabihin, 100% na working yung ginawa mong bootable disk. So, malapit na siyang kasi kasabay ng pag-copy, nag-auto-verify yan sa background. Okay? Hindi man natin nakikita na bine-verify yung lahat ng kinakopying ISO file, pero ginagawa yan sa background. Okay? So, konting minuto pa, or siguro 1 to 2 minutes, matatapos na siya. Okay? As you can see, dito sa baba, nakalagay lahat yung mga kinakopying files. Makikita mo dito sa tabi, nadadagdagan yung mga folder na kinakopy. Okay? Ayan, tapos na. So, nakalagay na ready. Okay? Check natin. Just click close. Okay? Then, eject muna natin yung ating drive E. Eject natin. Right-click. Kumuha ng sariling archive. Ito ang problema kapag nagloloko yung iyong mouse pad. So, right-click sa drive, click eject, or shortcut dito sa my system tray. Okay. Check natin. Eject muna. Then, reinsert the USB flash drive. Okay. Pag nag-open yung window, yan. Working yan. But, chances are, hindi natin masabi hanggang sa hindi natin ginagamit. And that's all for today. That is how you create a bootable disk using a Rufus software. Okay? With the Windows 10 or Windows 7 on it. Okay? So, thank you for listening.